Welcome to our channel where we bring you hands-on guides and deep dives into cutting-edge home technology. In this video, we will walk through every step of building your first smart home automation system from start to finish. 1. What is a smart home automation system? A smart home automation system consists of interconnected devices that monitor, control, and optimize household functions. These devices may include smart lights, thermostats, door locks, sensors, voice assistants, cameras, and switches. 2. Planning and goals. Start by defining what you want your smart home to do. Do you want lighting control, climate automation, security features, energy saving, or a mixture of them? 3. Choosing a platform. Smart home platforms coordinate and control the devices. Popular options include Home Assistant, OpenHab, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. 4. Establishing a reliable network. A robust network is essential to support all devices reliably. Use a router capable of dual-band Wi-Fi and ensure coverage throughout your home. For remote rooms, you may use Wi-Fi extenders or mesh systems. 5. Central controller setup. Your central controller hosts the automation logic. This could be a Raspberry Pi running Home Assistant, a dedicated hub, or a NAS with smart home software. Install the operating system and platform software. 6. Adding smart lighting. Smart lighting is often the first automation project people build. Devices include smart bulbs, plugs, switches, dimmers, or modules installed in wall boxes. Choose devices compatible with your platform and wiring setup. 7. Installing smart thermostat. A smart thermostat controls heating and cooling based on sensors and your schedule. Choose a thermostat compatible with your HVAC system and platform. Smart thermostats often include motion detection, humidity readings, and usage reports. 8. Security and door lock automation. Add smart door locks, cameras, and sensors to improve home security. Smart locks support remote access, auto lock features, and integration with door sensors. Install door or window sensors to detect when access points are opened. 9. Voice control and assistance. Choose a voice assistant such as Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri based on platform compatibility. Link your smart home system to the assistant through official integrations. Create voice commands to control lights, locks, thermostats, and scenes. 10. Automation. Logic and scenes. Define automation rules, triggers, and actions. For example, at sunset, turn on porch lights and interior hallway lights. When a door unlocks and motion is detected inside, disarm security mode. 11. Energy monitoring and optimization. Smart plugs and meters can track energy use of appliances. Install smart switches or wall modules that monitor power consumption. Include solar inverters or battery systems if applicable. 12. Secure remote access. Configure remote access using VPN or secure tunnels. Avoid exposing your hub directly to the internet. If you use platform services, enable password protection and multi-factor authentication. 13. Device updates and maintenance. Regularly update firmware on all smart devices and the central controller. Keep your automation software and platform integrations up to date. 14. Advanced integrations. Expand your system with sensors for water leaks, soil moisture, or indoor air quality. Integrate external services like weather for automations based on forecast. Add geolocation triggers using smartphone presence. 15. Backup power and failover planning. Ensure your smart home remains operational during power outages. Use uninterruptible power supplies or battery backups for router and controller. 16. User interface and dashboards. Create intuitive dashboards for quick control and status overview. Use panels or card layouts to group rooms, devices, and scenes. Include widgets for temperature, energy use, security status, and camera feeds. 17. Privacy and data ownership. Determine where device data is stored, locally or in the cloud. Preference local storage to limit third-party access. Review application privacy settings and disable data sharing features you do not need. 18. Troubleshooting and tips. If automations do not trigger, verify triggers, conditions, and actions carefully. Check logs and debug levels on the central controller. Ensure devices are online and reachable on the network. Verify power to smart switches and test manual override. 19. Scaling your system. As you grow your system, Maintain device naming conventions and organization. Use consistent grouping and labeling of devices. Backup system configurations before adding new devices. 20. Future enhancements. Look ahead to enhancements such as voice-enabled touch panels, AI-driven automations, predictive energy management, spa or pool integrations, or robotic vacuum scheduling. Integrate multiple household systems into holistic scenes. Be sure to click the bell icon to receive notifications when we publish new smart home content. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to sharing more smart home insights in the very next video.